In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a Gemini chat into a PDF so that you can have it on your desktop. So let's go ahead and ask Gemini a question. Let's go with give me the top 10 restaurants in New York City. So what this is going to do is it's going to search the web as it always does, and it's going to give us a list of the top 10 restaurants in New York City. Let's go ahead and we will X out of the map here. And what we can do is just go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom here, to the bottom of the list. Oh, and it's still going here, it looks like. And what we can do here is let's go ahead and get rid of the map now. What we're going to do is go ahead and ask it to give us a PDF file so we can download it to our desktop. So can you export this into a PDF file? And it's going to go ahead and analyze and think about it. And after a couple minutes or a couple seconds, it's going to give us a downloadable PDF file. So if we were to go ahead and hit open, we can go ahead and open that PDF and it puts it in a format, it puts it in its own style, things like that. And we can go over to the download button here and we can go ahead and download it onto our desktop as you see here. So let's go ahead and double click that. And now we have a PDF and a very well organized file of the top 10 restaurants in New York City. So that's it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy to go ahead and export Gemini chats into a PDF file.